for Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Pan Pynsuk iki Paidbah Nongleit Jingleit ba iki Nongleit. Ke SBI Umroi branch hak apa truk na itong arja pan Rio. Plie ke ATM maphala ko Shillong airport kabadan nakasnong Umroi. Kajingdon jong kani ke ATM say pisa kan Pynsuk ru wat iki Paidbah iki pasyong basa syajan ke Shillong airport. Patkan long ru ke cumantoy iki babuan balang. Hakajing Plie kani ke machine say pisa lasak hilang du airport director Rajiv Ranjan, Deputy Komandan CISF Usantana Krishnan, Chief Manager ke SBI Henlal Haulia, Chief Manager jong ke SBI Shenas Farmin, Branch Manager ke Umroi SBI Branch Tijeli, orang basnong ke Umroi Pelun uba PS Seliang.
So the opening of this new ATM right here in the premises of this Umroi Airport, it will help our neighborhood, especially to all the passengers who used to come and go to this airport. So this ATM, it will help our students, farmers, workers, and every family for the convenience. And
I thanks to SBI for bringing first time ATM machine at Shillong Airport. Earlier it was long demand from the passengers, the stakeholders, nearby villagers. The first time it has been installed, it will greatly benefit to the tourists who are coming at Shillong Airport and those who are going from here. Online transactions and UPI, we still need some cash for purchasing. So I once again thanks to SBI and welcome their steps which they have taken care. Thank you.
I'm Shenas Farmin, Chief Manager Operations from Shillong Rural State Bank of India. State Bank has always been striving to provide customer service to all areas, to all the far-flung areas of our country, to provide excellent service to our fellow countrymen. So today we got an opportunity to serve this side of the country and we thank the airport authorities of Umroi Airport for providing us this opportunity to serve them. This ATM will not only be beneficial for the passengers as well as to the local people who are living in and around Umroi Airport. So once again we thank our airport authority of Umroi Airport as well as SBI Umroi for taking all the pain and setting up this ATM for the benefit of the countrymen.
ito nakaliang jungi kumki orang Pak Shillong hidap dari jenis dokumen antara sini kalau Rio yang dapat sangkilang aga jing Plie yang ka ATM machine hang ni airport airport dia gani ka jing Plie jong ka State Bank of India Umroi branch gani ka ATM machine kan dia jing ka khu ka bakra nomor kumbolong hapo Umroi mentang jing don tak ka machine teng katu kumot kamde ka ron ber 24 hours no ber ta jadi jing don jong ni pat kanirap subun niki nong sunong marjan jong ini standar bar sunong tungi nata ko umden hang ni bertuig-tuig sunong di marjan ya kejing sungo tu ko jong ni kan yarap subun nak bentaki nong rap nak bentaki nong sunong aka berkila ban dro ya bisa ke tuki haka por ka pagiran kap tuki de nakadang jong bar sunong ni pau bejing ai kuble ke State Bank of India kunju ya ka Umroi Airport ki belai ai sungo bhai ni jakai parit mah nak ta State Bank kan install ni ka ATM machine de kan long ke jing kutku ke bakra nak bentaki nong sunong but kipai nong rap jong ni ka dong time
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.